Hey guys, Keith. This is Keith with Keith Jones Fish Guide, Kentucky. This is on Cumberland Lake. Just wanted to show you these little natural falls. It's awesome looking. Hey folks, Keith here. Just wanted to show you a little bit of where I'm fishing at back here by these little natural falls. It's just beautiful back here. Anyways, kind of cold today. Still kind of early in the morning. We're gonna have high skies, no clouds, a little bit of wind, and I'm gonna be fishing the creek part of these coves. Let me show you on my camera real quick. So on the fish finder, this little app which has the chart in it for the chart of the lake. And so I'm looking at it, I'm finding my area, and then I'm going to zoom in on it, and it's going to show a picture of where the boat's at. Right there you see the boat. Now you see the little blue line there? That's the creek. I'm going to be positioning the boat to stay in this creek as I fish out of it, because the bass use this creek as a highway. So I'm going to try to crank in the middle of the creek here and see how that's going to start off the day. Anyways, we're going to see how this works out on the graph, trying to stay in the creeks. I know the water here is 54 right now. It might be a little bit warmer as the sun hits it, but as I put the boat in the water this morning, it was 47 down by the dam. So yeah, it is colder, deeper water. Yeah, I'm back in the inlet here, back in these little finger coves, where I know that colder water, deeper water is going to have all the smallmouth in the spots. So this is a new area. I'm going to try it out, and I'm thinking there might be some largemouth back up in here too. Generally, this is just a no zone for largemouth, but let's just see how it works out. Oh, there's a chunky boy. Okay. The mouth and the girth and the colors. That's a largemouth. Baby largemouth, but anyways. He was hungry. It was fun. That's what it's all about. There we go. Come on over here, boy. Out of my hair. Ain't no giant, but it's a fun one. All right, buddy, not bad. Put you back in. Boy, they sure are finicky today. Real tight to cover. I mean, just right up against the sticker of the log or the rock. There we go. Hey. There's another nice one. No, not nice. He's just a baby, but still, it was fun. And he hit it pretty good. All right, buddy. There we go. Got all those spots today. Come back out here. Got a smallmouth, huh? That's not bad. He's pretty cool looking. All right, buddy. There we go. Hey. You're all right, you're all right. All right. Not bad, not bad. Fun. 24 feet of water coming off that tree.
Hey guys, just wanted to kind of reiterate on this morning. I said I was kind of going to be using my red baits for some largemouth and such, and my camera kind of messed up. So I switched things over and stuff. But anyways, I just want to show you. Here's a nice little largemouth right here. Real good fish right here. So anyways, still doing it, not doing bad. All right, let him go. All right. Hey guys, getting ready to call it a day. Sun's going down. Wind's been kicking all day, hasn't stopped. Boy, it just put me out of position everywhere I went. It was just swirling left and right, and just a mess. Anyways, came back to the back of the coves to start out in some warmer water. I found some 56-degree water, which was not bad. So got me a handful of spotted bass. Don't think I had the first one. I thought was a largemouth. I don't know, he might still be a largemouth because I caught him way in the back, and he might be. He had the girth and the larger jaws. So anyways, got a couple smallmouth in there. Actually, it was a fun day, had fun. Probably caught 11, 12 fish today. No giants today, nothing giant, nothing big. But when I came back here, I saw a whole bunch of the seagulls in the middle of the cove, and they were diving. And I went, wow, okay. So I went out there in about 30 feet of water, and I put my computer on, my fish finder, and I started seeing just schools of baby shad everywhere. That they've survived back in here throughout the whole winter, and that's excellent. I actually saw 2 or 3 little fish that were injured swimming next to the boat, and I thought, okay, that's it. That telling me that these fish were only about this big. So I went down to first I had my 6-inch swim bait and didn't do too good. So I kind of matched the hatch and put on my smaller, my 3-inch swim bait, and there it was. So fishing 30 feet of water, following the bait balls, and coming up to structures like logs. Any log that was hanging over had a spotted bass on it. So my smallmouth, they all came off of some nice big rocks that were in probably about 20 feet of water, using the chartreuse and sexy shad swim bait, the 3-inch. So another good day, another fun day. Sun's going down. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I try to tell you everything I do, what I use, time, color, temperature. So anyways, have a blessed day. Take someone fishing, and we'll see you next time.